Hey there, fashion lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to use your American Express gift card on Shein in 2025. Shein's got amazing deals on clothes, accessories, and more, but navigating payments can sometimes be tricky. Don't worry. I'll walk you through it step by step, so you can shop hassle-free. First things first, make sure your American Express gift card is activated and has funds. You can do this by visiting the Amex website or calling the number on the card. Once that's sorted, head over to the Shein app or website. Log into your account. If you don't have one, sign up quickly. It's free and takes just a minute. Now, browse and add your favorite items to your cart. When you're ready to check out, click on the card icon and select Checkout. On the payment page, look for the credit or debit card option. Shein typically accepts major cards like American Express, but always double-check for any updates in 2025. Enter your card details carefully. That's the card number, expiration date, CVV, and the name on the card. If prompted, add your billing address. It should match the one on your gift card for smooth processing. Hit Place Order, and voila! Your purchase should go through. One quick tip. If you run into any issues, like the card not being accepted, try using a digital wallet like PayPal by first adding your Amex gift card to it. Also, keep an eye on Shein's promo codes for extra savings. Shopping online in 2025 is all about convenience, and this method keeps it simple and secure. If you follow these steps, you'll be flaunting your new Shein haul in no time. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more tech and shopping tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.